Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can trade options on Sofi Technologies platform, so let's get started. To start trading call options on Sofi, begin by opening the app and pressing the Invest tab. Then, tap the search icon in the top right corner to go to the Discovery page. In the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the security you want to trade options for. Next, tap the floating trade button in the bottom right corner and select View Options. Before choosing an option, it's important to do your research to predict how the price of the underlying stock might move and when. Generally speaking, if you expect the price of the stock to rise, you would buy a call option. If you expect the price to fall, you would buy a put option. The expiration date is the deadline by which the options contract must either be sold or exercised. If it has value otherwise, it will expire worthless. You'll also need to choose a strike price. The option chain provides key data to help with this decision. The break-even point is the price the underlying stock needs to reach at expiration for you to break even, taking into account the premium, which is the amount paid upfront for the option. By tapping the arrow next to the strike price, you can view additional details, including volume, which shows activity and liquidity at that strike; bid-ask spread, which indicates where buyers and sellers are pricing the optio; implied volatility, which reflects the expected annualized move of the stock; delta, which measures how much the options price is expected to change relative to a $1 change in the stock price. For example, a call delta of 0.47 means that if the stock rises by $1, the call option is expected to increase by about 47 cents. Once you've selected your expiration and strike, tap on the price to open the trade ticket. Adjust your limit price if necessary, review the details, and then slide to confirm your trade. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.